Well, among the festivals of Meitei celebrated every year with religious prayers, rituals, and family gatherings, Sajibu ng CHEIRAOBA is also one of the occasions. For those residing in relief camps due to the ongoing conflict, the occasion is a painful reminder of their uncertain future. Despite financial constraints, some displaced families performed symbolic prayers and offerings, hoping for peace and stability in the state. However, others have chosen not to celebrate CHEIRAOBA until they return to their respective homes. We have an exclusive report on this from our SKTV's chief reporter, Kitrimayum Premchand.
As financial crisis hits Manipur, the most affected are people staying at relief camps. As such, many internally displaced persons taking refuge at relief camps observed Sajibu Nomapanba CHEIRAOBA in a subdued manner. Once a time of grand celebrations marked by feast and family gatherings, this year's CHEIRAOBA has been reduced to a symbolic observance for those forced to leave their homes due to violence. However, displaced families at various relief camps offered prayers for peace and stability in Manipur.
혹시서 조금 동안하래 뭐.
조금 동안하래.
동안하래 물론 짜더래 보고.
짜더래.
문기일 동안도 지라고 방송하래. 나도 릴립 게임 때 수많이 지라고 또 지가 유무도 그리 쇼 캐나 되니.
बस खेना है तो दिखेने
के हैपनिंग
이용도 तौजबा 하이जना 이자 이쇼 이마 이질리시나 로이나 시다디 아두수 레이트라버니나 아이야라이바 아라시나 자히 뭐 कुमामगी ngamjaba kachaba haiduni tangdu laita daba akoi manipur hoji thoiba thawdokse taibang sem mapuna shanti porokna amuka akoi hanjana hani mafamda laiba ngamtina diba mushimona haijan
Jumga budi mamadi mana de jum da hararo da men nuai ne na khan ba ko adu su dum sahi amagi lak pari na anga ngai kari gi da sarang ban puna ma wari ba kholi ba puna ma se to di koksa ge na ko sajibu se sarao ba dum angam ba ka dum kacha ba ni da
kai di khena mo ga bi yum da law bu sida rilip kendra ga charaw siga
jum da lai ba dum na mu yum da oi ba ni na laing thau tu isa gi jum da lai ko sigadi ka sing se pik pari na laing thau thambam tu lai tam laing thau buri lai tre adu ga su akoi gi ni kem sigi college ki sigi lai lai je bu thau ni hai ba ko ka chara ga adu ga sajibu dum siga dum chara wa yum ne na khan la ga sajibu se mai tai gi ti ona de anau ba sai hai tare ko adu na lak to sida akoi gi aji yung lan tie kan ta wa jam ta na chingna chanti oina ko nuai na da thana ra ka ri ba sai siga gi ang tang di para ga ko chu yum ikai da more ha ba ramdam du da sa gi koi na hanjan bangam nai gi tam jari.
It is well known that people offer seasonal vegetables, fruits, and flowers to Lainingtau Sanamahi and Laimirel Sidibi at every Meitei houses on the occasion of Sajibu Nomapanba CHEIRAOBA to seek blessings for the new year. However, those staying at relief camps express grief as they are unable to perform customary rituals at their own homes. Many displaced individuals have stated that they will not celebrate CHEIRAOBA until they return home and can honor Lainingtau and Laimirel at their own household shrines.
제아우드라 보면
Laude.
보통 나오도 들어가
Hello, yung hundred baud.
용 한지 불러
Pwede wakan din no atre. Lang ning dere. Lagi choy dere bakti tawra lo dere. Yan. Adu mangai kay daw. Lain do malay mre na malay bedo nai benatra banina. ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯎꯔꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯍꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯂꯥꯎꯔꯒꯦ ꯂꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯎꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗꯧꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯅꯥꯃꯍꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯝꯗꯔꯦ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯗꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯂꯥꯎꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯦꯜꯂꯛꯄꯗꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯎꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯔꯦ
Whenever a festival or cultural rituals takes place, IDPs feel a deep sense of sadness. They long to return home and celebrate as they once did before the conflict. However, the uncertainty of how long they will remain in relief camp remains a pressing question. From Akampa relief camp, reporting for SKTV News, this is KTV Premchand, Imphal.